Easy vegetables for lazy gardeners. Ever feel like gardening becomes harder than it should be? No matter how much effort you put in, something always seems to fail. One plant starts wilting, another begins rotting, and somehow the weeds keep taking over the garden. But after years of growing food, many gardeners discover that some vegetables are naturally easy and almost grow on their own. If you want a garden that produces a big harvest without constant work, these vegetables are some of the best choices you can grow. They are beginner-friendly, productive, and surprisingly low maintenance once they get established. Number 1. Zucchini. The first vegetable on this list is zucchini, and honestly the biggest problem with zucchini is usually growing too much of it. This plant grows extremely fast during warm weather and keeps producing for weeks with very little attention. The seeds can be planted directly into warm soil after the final frost, and as long as the plant receives full sunlight with decent drainage, it usually thrives on its own. Within around 45 to 55 days, zucchini plants begin producing heavily, and once harvesting starts, fresh zucchini seems to appear every couple of days. Most gardeners only need 1 or 2 plants because the harvest becomes overwhelming very quickly. Popular varieties like Black Beauty and Costata Romanesco are known for being reliable and productive. Watering near the base of the plant instead of on the leaves helps reduce mildew problems, while harvesting the fruits at medium size gives the best flavor and texture. Number 2. Green beans. Green beans are another vegetable that makes gardening feel incredibly simple. They are fast-growing, dependable, and perfect for beginners. Whether you grow bush beans or pole beans, both require very little maintenance once planted. The seeds should be planted directly into the garden, because beans usually dislike transplanting. In warm soil, they germinate quickly and begin producing pods within a couple of months. One interesting thing about green beans is that they naturally improve the soil by adding nitrogen back into it while growing, meaning they often need very little fertilizer. Reliable varieties like Blue Lake, Provider, and Contender are known for heavy production even in average conditions. As long as the beans are picked regularly, the plants continue producing fresh pods throughout the season. Number 3. Radishes. If you want quick results in the garden, radishes are one of the easiest vegetables you can grow. Some varieties are ready for harvest in less than a month, making them perfect for beginners who want fast success. The seeds are planted directly into loose soil, spaced slightly apart, and kept lightly moist. That simple process is usually enough for healthy growth. Because radishes mature so quickly, they are often used beside slower crops as companion plants or row markers. Cooler temperatures help them develop the best flavor, which is why they grow especially well during spring and fall. Popular varieties like Cherry Belle, French Breakfast, and White Icicle are all known for being reliable and beginner-friendly. By planting small batches every couple of weeks, gardeners can continue harvesting fresh radishes throughout the cool seasons with almost no effort. Number 4. Lettuce. Lettuce is another vegetable that almost feels effortless to grow. One reason gardeners love lettuce is because it works as a cut-and-come-again crop, meaning you can harvest the outer leaves while the center keeps producing new growth. The seeds are lightly scattered over moist soil because lettuce needs light in order to germinate properly. Within only a few weeks, fresh leaves are already ready for harvesting. Lettuce grows best in cooler weather and even performs well in partial shade, making it ideal for garden areas that do not receive full sunlight all day long. Loose-leaf varieties like Buttercrunch, Red Sales, and Black-Seeded Simpson are especially forgiving for beginners. Another advantage is that lettuce grows well almost anywhere, including raised beds, containers, window boxes, and indoor trays near a bright window. With steady moisture and cool temperatures, lettuce can continue producing fresh salads for a long time. Number 5. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are also one of the easiest and most rewarding vegetables for home gardeners. While larger tomato varieties sometimes need extra attention, cherry tomatoes are much more forgiving and productive. They handle heat better, resist disease more effectively, and continue producing even when watering schedules are not perfect. After the final frost, healthy transplants can be placed into the garden where they quickly grow into vigorous vines covered with clusters of fruit. With full sunlight, regular watering, and simple support from a cage or trellis, cherry tomato plants often produce continuously until the season ends. Many gardeners consider them one of the most satisfying crops because once production begins, fresh tomatoes seem to appear non-stop. Number 6. Cucumbers. Another vegetable that almost takes care of itself is cucumbers. Once the weather becomes warm, cucumber plants grow extremely fast and start producing heavily throughout the summer season. The seeds can be planted directly into warm soil after the danger of frost has passed. Give the plants full sunlight, regular watering, and something to climb, and they usually reward gardeners with non-stop production. Most cucumber varieties germinate within about a week and begin producing fruit roughly 50 to 65 days later. Bush varieties like Spacemaster work well in containers and smaller gardens, while vining varieties such as Straight 8 and Marketmore become highly productive when grown on a trellis. Growing cucumbers vertically also improves airflow, saves space, and makes harvesting easier. The most important thing for healthy cucumber plants is consistent moisture, especially once fruits begin forming. Mulching around the base helps the soil stay cool and reduces weeds. Harvesting cucumbers regularly while they are still medium-sized encourages the plants to continue producing for much longer. Number 7. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is one of the most underrated vegetables in home gardening. It is beautiful, nutritious, and incredibly tough. This plant handles heat, cooler temperatures, poor soil, and inconsistent watering far better than most vegetables. The seeds can be planted directly into the garden, and once the seedlings grow a few inches tall, they are thinned out to give each plant enough space. Swiss chard continues producing fresh leaves for months because new growth constantly develops from the center. It grows well in both full sun and partial shade, making it useful in many different garden conditions. Bright Lights is a colorful variety with vibrant rainbow stems, while Ford Hook Giant is known for its thick stems and large dark green leaves. Baby leaves can usually be harvested within about a month, while mature leaves take closer to 2 months. Swiss chard rarely struggles during weather changes and often continues growing even after heavy harvesting or light frost, which makes it one of the easiest vegetables for low-maintenance gardening. Number 8. Kale. Kale is another vegetable that is surprisingly easy to grow and extremely hardy. It tolerates cold weather better than most garden crops and often becomes sweeter after frost arrives. The seeds are planted directly into the garden and require very little attention once the plants become established. Kale grows best during cooler weather, but many varieties continue performing well even during warm conditions. Popular varieties like Lacinato, also known as dinosaur kale, produce dark textured leaves with a rich flavor, while red Russian kale is known for its softer leaves with purple coloring. Kale works as a cut-and-come-again crop, meaning gardeners harvest the lower leaves while allowing the center of the plant to continue producing new growth. A single healthy kale plant can continue producing from spring through late fall, and sometimes even through winter in milder climates. Because it grows steadily for such a long period, kale is one of the most reliable vegetables for continuous harvesting. Number 9. Peas. Peas are one of the most enjoyable vegetables for beginner gardeners because they grow quickly and tolerate cold weather extremely well. They are planted early in the season, even while light frost is still possible, because cool temperatures actually help them thrive. The seeds are planted directly into the soil and given a simple support system like a string trellis or small fence to climb. Peas germinate within about 1 to 2 weeks and usually begin producing pods within a couple of months. Varieties like Sugar Snap and Super Sugar Snap are especially popular because their pods are sweet and edible. Like beans, peas naturally improve the soil by adding nitrogen back into it while growing. They grow best in full sunlight or partial shade and produce heavily during their harvest season. Picking pods regularly encourages the plants to continue flowering and producing fresh peas for several weeks. Number 10. Potatoes. Potatoes are actually much easier to grow than many people expect. In fact, potatoes naturally want to sprout and grow with very little encouragement. Seed potatoes are usually cut into pieces containing 1 or 2 eyes, allowed to dry briefly, and then planted into loose soil. As the plants grow taller, soil or straw is gradually piled around the stems in a process called hilling, which encourages even more potatoes to form underground. Beyond that, potatoes require surprisingly little maintenance. They grow well in full sunlight and can even be grown in bags, buckets, or straw bales when garden space is limited. Popular varieties like Yukon Gold, Red Pontiac, and Kennebec are all known for reliable harvests. When harvest time arrives, digging potatoes out of the soil feels almost like uncovering hidden treasure because a single planted piece can produce multiple potatoes beneath the ground. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic may be one of the easiest vegetables a gardener can grow, because once it is planted, it requires very little work afterward. Individual garlic cloves are planted in autumn with the pointed side facing upward, and left in the ground throughout winter. As temperatures warm in spring, green shoots begin growing automatically, and by summer the bulbs are ready for harvest. Garlic grows best in full sunlight with well-draining soil, and usually performs very reliably once established. Each planted clove develops into a completely new garlic bulb containing multiple cloves, allowing gardeners to replant year after year without buying new garlic again. Softneck garlic varieties store well for long periods, while hardneck varieties also produce flavorful garlic scapes during spring. Consistent moisture and light feeding during early growth are usually enough for a successful harvest. Once the lower leaves begin browning, watering is stopped and the bulbs are harvested and cured in a dry location before storage. Number 12. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are much simpler to grow than most beginners realize. A single sweet potato can produce many slips, which are the leafy sprouts used for planting. The potato is partially suspended in water until slips begin growing from the top. Once the slips become several inches long, they are removed, rooted in water, and planted outdoors after the final frost. Sweet potatoes thrive in warm weather, loose soil, and full sunlight. After planting, the vines spread aggressively across the ground and naturally help suppress weeds, reducing garden maintenance even more. Popular varieties like Beauregard are known for producing dependable harvests with minimal care. Although sweet potatoes take several months to fully mature, they usually require very little attention during that time, making them a perfect crop for gardeners who prefer low-maintenance growing. Number 13. Peppers. Peppers become surprisingly low maintenance once they are properly established in the garden. Most gardeners either start seeds indoors before the season begins or purchase healthy transplants from nurseries. After nighttime temperatures remain consistently warm, pepper plants are moved outdoors into full sunlight and well-draining soil. Once established, peppers tolerate heat very well and continue producing throughout the season with only basic watering and occasional feeding. Bell peppers, jalapenos, banana peppers, and many other varieties all grow reliably in warm weather. Healthy plants gradually become loaded with colorful fruits that continue ripening over time. Regular harvesting encourages even more peppers to develop, and many plants remain productive until cold weather finally arrives. Number 14. Beets. Beets are one of the most overlooked vegetables in home gardening, but they are actually incredibly easy to grow. Many beginners avoid them because root vegetables seem difficult, yet beets are surprisingly low maintenance once planted. The seeds can be sown directly into the garden about half an inch deep, with a little spacing between them. Since each beet seed often contains multiple seedlings, thinning them out later gives the roots enough room to grow properly. Most varieties germinate within 1 to 2 weeks and become ready for harvest in around 50 to 70 days. One reason beets are perfect for lazy gardeners is because they provide 2 harvests from one plant. The roots develop underground while the leafy tops can also be harvested and eaten much earlier. Beet greens are highly nutritious and taste excellent sautéed with garlic or mixed into salads. Classic varieties like Detroit Dark Red are dependable and productive, while golden beets offer a sweeter flavor and do not stain like traditional red beets. Kyaja beets are especially eye-catching because of their beautiful striped interiors. Beets tolerate cool temperatures, partial shade, and even light frost, making them one of the easiest crops to grow during spring and fall. Number 15. Spinach. Spinach is another fast-growing vegetable that rewards gardeners very quickly. Like lettuce and radishes, spinach performs best during cooler parts of the year and can be harvested before intense summer heat arrives. The seeds are planted directly into moist soil, and with regular watering, baby leaves are often ready within only a few weeks. Mature leaves usually develop within about 40 to 50 days depending on the variety. Spinach grows especially well in partial shade during warmer climates, making it useful for garden spots where other vegetables struggle. Bloomsdale Long Standing is a reliable classic variety known for resisting bolting longer than many others, while smooth leaf varieties like Space are excellent for salads and quick harvesting. Spinach is packed with nutrients and grows equally well in raised beds, containers, or traditional gardens. The main secret to success is simply avoiding extreme heat by planting during spring or fall seasons. Number 16. Basil. Although basil is technically an herb, it behaves like a highly productive garden vegetable and deserves a place on this list. Basil grows rapidly in warm weather and requires very little maintenance once established. Seeds or transplants can be planted outdoors after all danger of frost has passed in a sunny location with well-draining soil. Within only a few weeks, the plants begin producing fragrant leaves continuously. Genovese basil is the classic variety used for pesto and Italian dishes, while Thai basil brings a slightly different flavor perfect for Asian recipes. The trick to keeping basil productive is regular harvesting. Pinching the growing tips forces the plant to branch outward and produce even more leaves instead of growing tall and thin. Flower buds should also be removed if continuous leaf production is the goal. A single basil plant can provide huge harvests throughout the season, and cuttings can even be rooted in water to create entirely new plants for free. Number 17. Green onions. Green onions are one of the easiest vegetables anyone can grow, even with very limited space. They can be started from seed, small onion sets, or even the leftover root ends from store-bought scallions. Simply placing the roots in water often produces fresh green shoots within days. Once transplanted into soil, the plants continue growing with very little effort. These onions tolerate partial shade, grow in many different soil types and mature very quickly. They fit almost anywhere, including raised beds, containers, windowsills, or empty corners of the garden. Evergreen Hardy White is a dependable variety that performs especially well in cooler conditions. Since green onions need very little attention beyond occasional watering, they are one of the best vegetables for beginners who want easy success. Number 18. Turnips. Turnips are another underrated root vegetable that grows surprisingly fast and requires very little maintenance. The seeds are planted directly into the soil during cool weather, either in early spring or late summer. Once seedlings appear, thinning them slightly allows the roots enough room to develop properly. Turnips tolerate partial shade, adapt to many soil types, and usually need only occasional watering after becoming established. The roots are best harvested while still medium-sized because they remain tender and flavorful at that stage. Like beets, turnips also provide edible greens in addition to the roots, giving gardeners even more value from each plant. Because they grow so quickly and easily, turnips are excellent for beginner gardeners or anyone wanting reliable harvests with minimal work. Number 19. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is one of the easiest large vegetables to grow if you have enough space for the vines. The seeds are planted directly into warm soil after the final frost or started indoors a few weeks earlier. Once the plants begin growing, the vines spread aggressively and naturally shade out weeds, reducing garden maintenance significantly. Most varieties mature within about 80 to 110 days and become highly productive with only basic care. Waltham butternut is one of the most dependable varieties because it produces reliable harvests in many climates. Giving the plants full sunlight, occasional feeding and consistent watering is usually enough for healthy growth. Number 20. Sunflowers. The final easy crop on this list is sunflowers grown for edible seeds. Sunflowers are not only productive but also bring color and energy into the garden. The seeds are planted directly into sunny soil after frost danger has passed, and within days, young plants begin growing rapidly toward the sky. Many varieties reach full height in only a few months. Mammoth Russian is a classic giant sunflower variety that produces enormous seed heads packed with edible seeds. Sunflowers tolerate drought surprisingly well after becoming established, and grow in many different soil conditions. Once the flower heads begin drying and turning brown, they can be harvested and hung upside down to finish curing. After drying, the seeds can be removed and roasted for a completely homegrown snack. Besides producing food, sunflowers also attract pollinators and make the garden feel far more alive and vibrant.